Looking at 5. Which line has a slope of -3? Okay, J, K, M, N. So let's just look at some of these lines. I'm looking at M right away. Well, M, as we look at it from left to right, M is going up, which means M has a positive slope. We're looking for a slope of -3. N is the same thing. As we look at N from left to right, we're going up, which means it has a positive slope. So it does not work for us. We're looking at J and K. Slope of -3. So both of them have the point at the origin, 0, 0. Now we need to pick 2 points. Let's pick J, let's pick this point and this point. Slope is change in Y over the change in X. So what are these two ordered pairs? The origin is 0, 0. J, the ordered pair is -2, -2. So change in Y, let's start with this one and go to this one. Change in Y would be -2 minus 0 over the change in X, -2 minus 0. And we would get -2, oh, I'm sorry, no. This ordered pair is -2, +2. So this is actually 2 minus 0, which is a +2 over a -2, which gives us a slope of -1. So line J cannot be it. It's going to have to be B, but let's try it just in case. Let's pick 2 points. Let's pick this point right here. This ordered pair would be -1 and 3. So let's do change in Y. So it'd be 3 minus 0 over change in X, -1 minus 0. And we get 3 over -1. 3 divided by -1 is -3. That's the slope we're looking for. 5 has to be B. Moving on to 6. What is the slope of line N? Okay, line N, we're going to use the origin, and then let's just pick this one because it's a little further away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So this ordered pair is 4, 2. Those are the coordinates. So let's do change in Y over change in X. Change in Y would be 2 minus 0 over change in X, which is 4 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 over 4. We have to simplify this to 1/2. The slope is 1/2, so 6 has to be C. 7. Every 2.5 hours, a machine produces 150 baskets. What's the unit rate of this proportional relationship? Okay, so produces 150 baskets for every 2.5 hours. Time would be X, which makes baskets Y, so X over Y. Now we would just divide this. 150 divided by 2.5. So we have to move the decimal over once. Move the decimal over once. 25 goes into 150 6 times. Fill in the 0. 60. So the unit rate would be 60 baskets every hour. 6, which of the following is a negative rational number that is not an integer? So we need a negative, which means that's out. We do not want an integer. This is an integer, so that's out. And we want it to be rational. Pi is an irrational number. The only negative rational number that's not an integer is -4.5. 8 is B.